Choosing the appropriate drawing tablet might be similar to choosing the perfect sketchbook. Too little and you feel constrained, too sophisticated and you lose the fun. Whether you're a beginner who wants to experiment with digital art or a serious creative searching for precision, the perfect tablet can drastically transform how you sketch, design, and create. Some tablets work independently, but others link to a computer, feel like genuine pen and paper, and include smart shortcuts to help you get things done faster. This list includes the greatest drawing tablets for a variety of needs, budgets, and ability levels. From simple, beginner-friendly solutions to strong, professional tools, let's choose the one that best suits your creative style. Number 7. Huion Canvas Pro 16 V2. If you want a drawing tablet that feels like a genuine pen on paper, the Huion Canvas Pro 16 V2 is an excellent choice. The battery-free PW600A pen with PenTech 4.0 technology has 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity and a 5080 LPI resolution, allowing you to record even the smallest details in your strokes. The pen's ergonomic shape and 3 side buttons make it easy to use while speeding up your workload. The 15.6-inch fully laminated display is another standout feature. It includes anti-glare canvas glass 2.0 for a paper-like texture and minimum parallax, so your drawings feel precise and accurate. Colors pop brilliantly too, thanks to 120% sRGB coverage and 16.7 million colors that remain accurate even at wide 178-degree viewing angles, ideal for print-ready items or complex digital art. Workflow is also improved with 6 customizable express keys and a smart touch bar that controls zooming, scrolling, and brush changes. Furthermore, the 3-in-1 cable and recessed Type-C port keep your setup tidy and avoid accidental disconnects, a simple but clever touch. On the mobility front, this model is impressively slim and light at only 0.45 inches thick and 2.65 pounds, with the ST200 aluminum stand offering 6 adjustable angles for ergonomic comfort anywhere. It supports Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, as well as the majority of popular creative software. The only catch, it is a pen display, not a standalone tablet. Therefore, you must link it to a PC or laptop. Otherwise, it's a powerful, professional-feeling tablet that's both vivid and precise, making it great for artists looking for versatility without losing quality. Number 6. Picasso Tab 10. The Picasso Tab 10 is a flexible little powerhouse for anyone going into digital art or simply seeking a convenient standalone tablet. Unlike most tablets, it does not require a computer to function. Everything from drawing to taking notes happens directly on its 10-inch touchscreen. The bundled stylus has 1,024 pressure levels, so your strokes feel natural, and the pre-installed drawing and animation programs allow you to get right into the creative process without having to look for software. It's not only about drawing. The tablet has a MediaTek quad-core processor, which gives it the power to handle multitasking seamlessly. The IPS HD screen provides sharp, clear graphics, and the big 64GB storage capacity allows you to download a plethora of programs, store your artwork, or binge-watch movies in high definition. Connectivity is also flexible. Wi-Fi keeps you connected to the internet, and the micro HDMI port allows you to mirror material on a TV for a larger viewing experience. GPS and USB-C complete the connectivity, resulting in a remarkably competent all-in-one device. On the plus side, it includes 4 bonus items: a tablet case, sketching glove, universal charger, and screen protector, making it ideal for beginners or as a gift. It is also GMS, FCC, and CE certified, ensuring safety and quality, and comes with a 1-year warranty. On the downside, while it's ideal for casual painting and media, sophisticated digital artists may find the 1,024 pressure levels limited when compared to professional tablets. Overall, it's a portable, beginner-friendly device that combines creativity, enjoyment, and functionality into a single package. Number 5. UG M708 V3. The UG M708 V3 is an excellent alternative for anyone new to digital art or searching for an economical yet powerful drawing tablet. Its 10 by 6 inch active drawing surface provides ample space for sketching, painting, or retouching images, and the smooth paper-like texture feels natural under the pen. The bundled passive stylus has 16,384 pressure levels, giving you precise control over line thickness and opacity. Light strokes are delicate, while heavier pushes result in bold, dramatic lines, ideal for detailed artwork or digital painting effects. This tablet is very adaptable as it works with multiple operating systems. Whether you're running Windows, Mac OS, Android, Chrome OS, or Linux, the M708 integrates seamlessly and works with popular creative tools such as Photoshop, Illustrator, SAI, ZBrush, and more. This versatility makes it perfect for beginners or enthusiasts who want to explore with several platforms. Workflow is streamlined with 8 customizable express keys that handle actions like zoom, undo, and brush adjustments, saving time and ensuring a fluid creative flow. Connectivity is also simple. USB-C compatibility means it can quickly connect to laptops, desktops, or Chromebooks, making setup relatively painless. The tablet also includes useful accessories such as a pen holder, replaceable tips, and compatibility for both left and right-handed users. What's the downside? While it's great for drawing and design, it's not a standalone tablet. It requires a computer, and its smaller size may seem claustrophobic for artists used to larger surfaces. Still, for its price and feature set, the UG M708 V3 provides a professional-level experience for both novices and casual artists. Number 4. Picasso Tab X11. The Picasso Tab X11 is more than just a sketching tablet. It's like having an entire digital art classroom in your hands. The tablet comes with a precision stylus, key accessories, and access to premium sketching and animation software such as Concepts, Infinite Painter, and Flip-A-Clip. Everything is set up so that beginners may begin designing right away without the need for additional software or tools. For those new to digital art, the tablet shines brightly. It comes with the Artixo app, which includes step-by-step instructions and learning resources to help you go from basic sketches to more polished artwork. This makes it an ideal partner for anyone who wants to enhance their talents while remaining motivated. The 11-inch Full HD laminated screen is roomy and anti-glare, providing a natural paper-like drawing experience. The stylus is accurate, allowing for exact strokes and smooth control, while the 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity provide delicate line variation, ideal for shading and brush effects. The X11 has 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, and an octa-core processor, so it can easily multitask, switch between programs, store artwork, or even watch shows without latency. It's lightweight and portable, allowing you to create from anywhere, but as a solitary Android tablet, it may feel constrained in comparison to a full computer setup for experienced artists. Overall, the X11 is a comprehensive, beginner-friendly digital art solution that combines performance, instructional tools, and mobility in one convenient package. It's excellent for anyone looking to express their creativity with minimal setup bother. Number 3. Wacom Intuos Medium. The Wacom Intuos Medium is a versatile and dependable graphics tablet built for students, instructors, and creators who require precision without the fuss. Its EMR battery-free pen technology provides a natural pen-on-paper feel, making sketching, taking notes, and editing photos easy and intuitive. With 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, it responds to every tiny stroke, allowing you to easily regulate line thickness and opacity, ideal for detailed artwork or design tasks. One of the most notable characteristics is its wireless connectivity. You may pair it via Bluetooth or connect it with a USB-A connection, giving you freedom to create anywhere, from your desk to a classroom or even on the couch. The tablet also has 4 customizable express keys that are shortcuts for undo, brush size, and zoom that are always at your fingertips, making your workflow faster and more efficient. Compatibility is another advantage. The Intuos works with nearly any creative software and across Windows, Mac OS, and even Chromebooks, giving you a flexible tool whether you're painting, drawing, editing images, or writing up documents with its wireless connectivity. Plus, registering the tablet grants you access to Wacom's integrated software and online courses, which is ideal for beginners wishing to improve their skills. What's the downside? The medium size is great for mobility, but if you're used to larger drawing surfaces, you may feel a little confined. Nonetheless, with Wacom's 40-plus years of experience, this tablet combines precision, dependability, and adaptability in a lightweight, portable package, an excellent choice for anyone beginning or broadening their digital art adventure. Number 2. Zopox. The Zopox 10x6-inch graphics tablet is ideal for artists, designers, and educators that require a solid digital drawing solution. Its battery-free stylus has 8,192 pressure levels, allowing you to draw clean, natural lines without worrying about charging. Whether you're sketching, painting, or retouching images, the pen reacts to every minor stroke, giving your digital work a more conventional feel. It also includes 20 replacement nibs, ensuring that you may continue drawing uninterrupted. This tablet's 12 customizable shortcut buttons and 10 multimedia keys for Windows speed up your productivity by allowing you to set quick access commands for zooming, undoing, and changing brushes. The 10x6-inch active area provides ample workspace, while 5080 LPI resolution and 60-degree tilt support improve precision and responsiveness, enabling precise shade and line control. Compatibility is comprehensive, including Windows XP through 11, Mac OS 11 Plus, and Android 4.4 Plus. It is compatible with major creative tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, SAI, MediaBang, Flip-a-Clip, and Lightroom, as well as Office software such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, making it ideal for online education or distant work. Setup is simple, but Mac users must alter rights in security and privacy for full functioning. On the downside, it does not support iPhone, iPad, or Chromebooks, and some of the first setup processes may be confusing to newcomers. Nonetheless, the Zopox tablet has exceptional precision, useful shortcuts, and versatility, making it an outstanding choice for digital painting, online classes, and creative endeavors. Number 1. Artisul. The Artisul D16 is an excellent drawing tablet for artists, designers, and content creators who require a wide, accurate workspace without giving up portability. Its 15.6-inch fully laminated IPS screen offers a large canvas, precise cursor tracking, and vibrant detail, making it great for illustration, animation, graphic design, picture editing, and even online teaching. It's lightweight at 3.42 pounds and supports dual display, allowing you to utilize it as a secondary monitor for work or remote tasks. The tablet's P58B stylus has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, 5080 LPI resolution, and a reading rate of 223 pps, providing a genuine brush-like sensation for both fine and bold strokes. The pen is battery-free thanks to electromagnetic resonance technology, where there is no need to charge it, allowing for continual creative flow. Color fidelity is excellent with a 1920 by 1080 resolution, 178-degree viewing angle, and 76% Adobe RGB coverage. The screen also boasts an anti-glare coating and an easy-to-reach brightness button, so your artwork will appear clear and natural even in bright lighting. The workflow is optimized with 7 programmable shortcut keys and a fast style that are appropriate for both left and right-handed users. The tablet is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and major creative software such as Photoshop, Illustrator, Corel Painter, and SAI. It also has an adjustable stand with 6 positions for a comfortable posture. The main drawback? The D16, like many pen displays, cannot operate independently and must be connected to a computer. Still, it's a lightweight, feature-rich, and dependable tablet that strikes a mix between precision, color accuracy, and ergonomic convenience, making it an excellent choice for both new and experienced artists. And there you have it, the best drawing tablets you can get right now, whether you're just getting started with your creative journey or looking to step up your digital art game. Each of these tablets offers something unique to the table, ranging from portable all-in-one devices to powerful pen displays designed for professional use. Now it's up to you to choose the one that best suits your style, process, and budget, and get started on something extraordinary now. If you found this video useful, please like and share it with other artists. Don't forget to subscribe to the Legit Pick channel for more honest reviews and top tech picks. Your next masterpiece awaits.